Wagwan Island Tribe, blessings everyone. Yeah man, so this right here what I'm doing guys, just a short little video. Yeah man, so many of you guys know my friend NJ from NJ Vlogs back home in Jamaica. Yeah man, and so recently he ran into some problem with his YouTube channel and he can't get monetized. So yeah, basically his YouTube channel is useless right now. So yeah, he has created a second channel which is called NJ Vlogs Jamaica. The letter NJ Vlogs Jamaica. Yeah man, so you know, all I'm asking for you guys to do, just go give him some support. His first channel had over 1,600 subscribers, so you know he struggled to get that amount, and to lose that, it's very hard as a YouTuber. You see it? So if you guys can go over there and show him some support, you see me? Let him know so the Island family sent you. Yeah man, just get his channel up to even 1,000 subs. Yeah, get him back on his feet to monetization. You see it? So yeah man, do that guys, and will be greatly appreciated as well, isn't it? So yeah man, give thanks. Link will be down in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Alright guys, bless up.